Are you ready to elevate your auto repair or maintenance game? Upgrade your garage today. The two-post lifter is the perfect addition to any garage or service shop. It loaded with real benefits and complement your light or medium-duty general service needs. How about simplify your tire changing process and boost efficiency with the swing arm car tire changer? Ideal for standard cars, SUVs, and light trucks, and designed to handle a wide range of tire sizes with precision and ease. A perfect choice for the most demanding situation. Use the 4-post lifter. Offers a lifting system that provides for high wear resistance and smooth gliding situation. The wheel alignment is a critical aspect of vehicle maintenance. With proper alignment, you maximize the lifespan of your tires. Take your tire service to the next level with the Wheel Balancer. With precise performance and compact design for light vehicles, the professional AC service unit with flushing function, with fully digitalized display system for easy and intuitive menu navigation. How about using the 2-in-1 on-car and off-car brake lathe? With long blade life cycle, accurately resurface automotive and light truck rotors. Get organized with a professional automotive tool set with rolling cabinet. Keep your tools safe and secure. Boost your workshop's efficiency and reputation today with this ultimate tool for professional. Only here at Vserve Trading.